Okay, this is a quick rundown for everybody of the appointment screen and the different features that are required for the appointment screen. So let's go ahead and start off on the left side. So as you can see, this is where we get to the appointment screen, correct? Up on this top bar, we have the select patient and the com log. The rest of these forms we don't really use. We have the calendar menu over here to select different days of the week. Um, and then we also have today, the month, the week, the view. You can change to the week view, and that'll kind of give you a general overall view, which is nice to have, but it's not necessary to stay in all the time. I prefer the day view. You have this appointment pin board. You have these different views. So if you said, I don't want to view all the ops, I'm going to go ahead and just view the ones that are default. These are all the default is the ones that are scheduled for that day. If you said, I just want to go ahead and view insurance information, it'll show insurance information. So the appointment views are a great way to view different information at a glance. If we look at these buttons right here, this is where you can make an appointment, make a recall, make a family's recall, and then also view patient appointments. And then down here we have our waiting room. So looking at the actual appointment screen itself, on this left side we have these different bars and they're different colored. As you can tell, the colors kind of coordinate with the color of the provider. So blue is Lemke, green is Wyndham, and purple is Bassett. This is a quick and easy way to view who is scheduled when. So in this case, if you look at this, this green bar right here correlates with Dr. Wyndham's when he is scheduled. If we were to go ahead and put someone in over here for Lemke, let's go ahead and put Mickey Mouse over here. He needs to get a limited done again. Well, limited is a bad example because it's not a provider time, but if we were to say, okay, let's go ahead and do a molar root canal for that day. Great. Well, you can tell that Dr. Lemke will be in here this time, and then a quick glance at this will show that this bar right here is when Dr. Lemke is done. So if we didn't stagger like this, Dr. Wyndham would end up looking. So let's just say, for example, we end up scheduling this Mickey Mouse crown underneath this Mickey Mouse filling. You'd see over here that there's two bars right here that are empty. So this empty room right here is going to make it so Dr. Wyndham ends up going from this appointment to this appointment and then has a gap right here. Well, that gap is the stuff that we want to avoid. So that's why we wanted to schedule Mickey Mouse over here so that way the assistant times overlap. Sorry, like this, up to minutes. The assistant times overlap with when he's working, and then the same here, the assistant time overlaps with when he's working. So then that way, we have a full bar right here, and then Dr. Lemke as well. So that's a great way to look at things and to be able to see that the way that they are scheduled effectively.